we see here is a virtual machine, apparently, in a virtual proving ground. Proving ground here means we have a machine with a load in the bucket, which is driving around on an uneven terrain. And when we see the machine driving around here, then we can observe that it will respond, of course, to the terrain. So we can answer various questions. So when we drive, is it stable? Is it comfortable for the driver even? So, or gets he shaked across the cabin when you drive too fast, which of course you don't want to have. So the people should feel well, and it should stand a whole working day in this working environment, in a very harsh environment. And last but not least, we of course have the situation that we should actually look into questions like safety. So you see here, just speeding up a little bit the animation, moving to a point where it starts to get interesting. So you see how the vehicle would be driving. And now maybe at this stage here, I start to run the video in real time from simulation. And we will see machine moving over the ground. And very soon we will come close to an edge. So, and the machine will go downhill. And then, of course, this should be something which we execute safely, but not in all circumstances this scenario will be safe, as we see here in the simulation. So you see the rear wheels lifting up, you see the machine almost tumbling over. This is something which, of course, we should avoid by whatever means. It can mean we change the design of the machine, or if we say no, we cannot avoid it through design, then we should change the way how the machine is operating. So we should prevent the driver going into such scenario by limiting the load, or saying limiting the gradient which you go downhill, maybe having a combination of both, saying, okay, with this load, this gradient is permitted. And then maybe also looking into how can I put a safety system on the machine, putting some sensors and actually spotting such a critical condition, the onset of such a critical condition, and give the driver a warning that he should stop before entering such situation. And this is something where we can easily work on a simulation model. We don't damage things. We can reuse the machine as new for the next simulation, so it doesn't have any dents or whatever, and just runs the same way. And of course, we don't risk any people's life when we do such experiments.